August 2013, Switzerland, Meiringen Air Base, 10th Jet World Masters Championship.
Ganz herzlich unsere Freunde aus Russland. Welcome, Team Russia!
Switzerland Air Force Team PC-7 welcomes participants and guests of the championship. "64 pilots from 18 countries are participating in Jet World Masters this year. Modelists compete in two classes, 13.5 and 20 kilograms. The Russian team is represented by three models: MiG-15 with enhanced detailing, pilot Mikhail Balenko; MiG-27 with a full-featured swing-wing mechanization, pilot Boris Satovsky; and the Yak-130 version 2013, pilot Vitaly Robertus, 2011 Jet World Masters champion. As it was in 2011 Jet World Masters, the Vitaly's model is the flagship of the championship. The new Yak has many constructions upgrades. There are a lot of smaller details and light systems, which are made with extreme precision and in conformity with the prototype. Another model of Yak-130 in red livery is built for training flights and to perform a show program. The modeling precision level of the new Yak-130 significantly exceeds the requirements of the Jet World Masters rules. In comparison with the previous championship, the level of modeling as well as flight skills of other participants have increased considerably. The total result strongly depends on the quality of the flight program performing. In spite of jerky crosswind, the training started from the very first day of the championship. Only a few pilots decided to fly in this weather. It was necessary to check the model's behavior in such unusual mountainous location. Vitaly Robertus used this chance with maximum amount of takeoff and landing cycles.
Оставил хреном держать перед постоянно. Посадка 6,5. Еще раз. Натяг. Крен. Тормоз.
And here is another training flight of the new Yak-130, which is a complete Yak's flight program at the championship.
Проверка ВСУ, проверка щита.
Готовы, щиток.
Есть свет. Гироскоп третья.
Гироскоп третий, передернуть.
Поехали. Холодный набор. Полный газ. Падаем спокойно, потом добавляем. После него будет 90-270. Падаем. Встал. Крис, пошел 90. Плавно. Нау. Отлично. Набор. Руль. Сплит-эс. Now. Тянем. Правый руль на выводе. Право. Площадка. Finish, very turn на 2 бочки. Реализм. Удалиться немножко. Ну ладно, тут подрезаем. Да, 2x rules. Газу, левый руль. Now. Now. Разгон. Пошел. Поздний газ дали, вверх дорисовываем, правый руль, землю, высоту ввода повторяем, деревья, газу, пошел, пошел, левый руль, лево, высоту ввода повторяем, дальше будет 45, 225, тянем, finished, лево отвал, и падать, разгон, positive G-roll with landing gear, now, высота это. Нормально. Можно было еще упасть. Финиш. Отваливаем вправо. Прямая остановка. Внимательно. Щиток. Финиш. Входы, лампочки. Гироскоп выключаем. Рулежка.
The flight area is not too comfortable because the mountains, which are quite high, surround it. In flight, pilot observed his model with the mountains in the background. It requires additional concentration from the pilots and therefore may cause stress. But as I see, our pilots handle with it well.
Наша команда с этим справляется очень неплохо.
In the beginning of the second tour, it became rainy. The rain stopped right before the Yak flight, but then they faced with the crosswind. A haze and a high humidity also affected piloting. At the large distances, the Yak literally merged with the environment. This is the landing when the crosswind speed has increased rapidly, and that is the moment of truth for every pilot.
I am Major Peter Michael. I am the commander of Squadron 12 of Swiss Air Force. We fly Pilatus PC-9er for DCA flights. But when I was younger, I flew also this machine here, the F5 Tiger, and the Hunter and the Vampire. It's real great feeling to fly a real jet in the Swiss Alps. But it was also great yesterday to see the model of the Yak 130. It was real fantastic, realistic, unbelievable. I congratulate you very much.
It is time to fly in a third tour. All systems are being checked. Vitaly Izalidze, one of the best pilots in the world, Stefan Volker, Germany, with the model of L39 occupied the second position, with a small gap from the leader. Stefan's outstanding flight doesn't leave a headroom for any mistake. Stefan Folke welcomes Vitaly Robertus before the decisive flight. There are thousands of spectators waiting for the yacht.
Удалось отлетать хорошо, то есть ветер был не очень сильный, практически.
That was a good flight. The wind wasn't too strong and it was practically in parallel with the runway. We managed to avoid big mistakes. There were just a few subtle mistakes, but it happens time by time. I hope we managed to improve the results of second flights. Let's wait for the award ceremony to see the total results.
Единственное, к сожалению, мы узнаем это только уже на процедуре награждения.
Right after successful completion of the flight program, Vitaly opens the show program with Red Yak 130.
Congratulations to Vitaly Robertus, Russia!
The Jet World Masters Cup is getting back to Russia.